okay, I had to re-record because I was not holding the camera as still as I could. So I'm gonna try to hold it as still as I can. But so I put it together. It is fantastic. It took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours to put together by myself. You gotta be really careful with the gas expansion. They say on the directions for 2 people to hold it, but you don't have to. I have a grommet, so if you look under my desk, I was able to use that material that it comes with, the supplies that it comes with, or because I was originally going to use the clamp, but I didn't know they had multiple options in the directions. So super convenient, super easy to move. Really love it. Definitely would recommend.
Really solid. Here too. Cable management is great. Everything is on point. Here. And my table is really thin too, so this is really great. Awesome product.